Namaskar friends, me Gopa Chakravarti presenting Greenhouse Kolkata. Greenhouse is at 452B Kiatala Road, Kolkata. And my booking number 8981070339. Friends, it's a hot summer afternoon, so I dare not start with any other things rather than this cottons. Cottons I will like to show you today. Let's start with cottons. Cotton saris for your summer use. This is the first sari of my episode. These are all mal cottons from a very skilled person. Hand batik, wax batik, the aanchal portion I've taken out, and here goes the total effect of the sari. Look at this. Very soft, high quality malmal. And they're all very skin friendly. You'll be very comfortable during this hot days. And we are providing blouse piece with each of our saris. Look at this. This is the blouse piece of the sari, and this goes for 2600 dear. Mals for 26. Mals for 26 this time, because it's from a very good artisan and premium quality mals we have given. Yes, this is the second one. Look at this, how pretty this looks. এগুলো দেখুন, भारी सुंदर किंतु बहुत आरामदायक साड़ी है, और हम दिखाते रहते हैं, मल्स आती रहती है हमारे पास बनके, और हम दिखाते हैं आपको. Look at this. This is styled like this. These are all my mal cottons, which this season demands. And the blouse piece is this one. Look at this. It's a beautiful border has been created. And you can use this for designing your blouse. This border is it will be helping you for designing. This is the one, a very smart mals. This is the one again from that artisan only. So they are my special mals, and we are giving these for 2600 this time. I will show you a few for 2050. These are very good. Look at this. Nature related park. Deer, no? Look at this. And this red is so striking. Border. This is also for 2600 with this kind of BP with the sari. And these ones such a soothing shade. Mals you can wash and wear. They will hold the color, the batiks. Those who are using my batiks, they know it by this time, what kind of material we provide. This is the one which is for 2050. 2050 with the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with the border. This is the blouse piece with the border. Ranjana, please. These are all for 2050. Simple, beautiful mulls. This is the buff color. They are so airy. Best for summer use. This is the one. Look at this. This is very stylish, but when worn with any kind of blouse, we have given blouse piece also with the saris, but you can use a tassel blouse also with this. Maybe it'll be looking nice with this green also, emerald green. 2050. 2050 for all these. This is also 2050. The best of quality mulls. This is styled like this. The yoke is highlighted. The yoke portion is highlighted. And here goes the second part has this type of effect. Look at this. 2050, dear friends. 2050. Come on, grab, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends so I could reach to the people who desire to see my products. They are not getting. Look at this. Hey, this color is my favorite. Eta dekhun, eta khub sundar. This effect is so very beautiful, soothing. If you put on these, you can survive this summer. All for 2050. These mulls are going for 2050. One more or one or two more. I will show you, and you select your mulls according to your liking, and this is the one. This is again on mulls. Mall dekhiye dilam, jader pochondo niye nin. And during this time of the season, we make mulls. Batik mulls are high demand from greenhouse. 2050, dear friends, look at this. Look at this. Kajgulo dekhun. Very smart one. When you wear the saris, it gives you that look, that cool look. দেখা যাচ্ছে? $2050 for my mulls. And the blouse piece is always there with the mull. Mull cotton has a blouse piece. There's a running blouse piece with the mull cotton. And now, this has created a history. We kept on making these two saris. I will show you two of them. They are again ready with me. They are again ready with me. These two block prints are very much in need. Lot of people, lot of demand for these two. So many are made now to meet your demand. This is the one. These are again ready. Those who wanted to have, just call on us. Call us, dear friends, for these cottons which are ready, and they were already pre-booked by my friends. Look at this. This is also ready with me now. We've used 4 colors for making these fish motif. This is Dhonikhali cotton, but it is priced 2050. 2050. Fold it, Ikkuni. Look at this. This is 2400. Oh, so beautiful. Katha work on Tangail cotton. Katha work on Tangail cotton. A beautiful piece. দেখুন পেজলি করা রয়েছে সমস্ত কলকা ডিজাইন and throughout Katha work. And the achal part I want to lift the sari and show you. They're tiny. That mirror effect is looking wonderful. This is the sari, so beautiful. This is going for 2400, but without blouse piece. 2400. Tangails, we are not providing blouse piece with this. 2400, dear friends. Yes, look at this Kora Banarasi. So beautiful. দেখুন এটা সম্পূর্ণ কাজ করা আছে ভালো. Very fine weaving. And such a yellow and pink, very summery combination. There's a blouse piece for this sari. Blouse ache. There's a blouse piece for this sari which is hidden inside. Yes, the border is there. That is that part. Okay, let it be. This is the sari and this is costing 2800, dear friends. 2800. 2800 টাকায় blouse piece দিয়েছি. Blouse piece টা দেখিয়েই দিই. This is the blouse part. This is the blouse part with the weaving. This is the blouse section. They are also very lightweight saris. 2800, dear. Beautiful combination. Very soothing for your summers. And this is the new fabric we have introduced. এই ফেব্রিকটা নিয়ে আমি একটু কথা বলি. These are all sheer fabrics. This is derived from silk, but for modernizing, they've put little bit of poly for the development and keeping the price in control. So they've made the organza like this, and wearable sari, skin friendly. वो खिसकने वाली नहीं है जो it is not slippery. They're very comfortable ones. Total jal work. And this is my organza this time. Look at this. This is so very beautiful. Look at the soft pink color. It is a translucent, not transparent kind. They're sheer material. The sheer fabric. ভালো করে এগুলো পরুন আপনারা পার্টিতেও, খুব সুন্দর লাগে পরলে। অ্যান্ড দ্যাট কুল এফেক্ট, আপনার পাশেও যারা থাকবে তাদেরও দেখে শান্তি, চোখের শান্তি। Such a cool and beautiful sari, and the price is, we have provided blouse piece with the sari also, and the price is 5685. These are all derived from silks, but this is mixed with little bit of poly. That is why the price could be controlled. And you know, the youngsters, they would like to carry these saris these days. Little transparent. It's like this. 5685. 5685, dear friends. Another fresh color organza. Total jal embroidery. Total jal. 2.5 meters of my sari is covered with this jal embroidery. Total jal effect. দেখাও খুব সুন্দর শাড়িগুলো। You can style beautiful saris for summers. Summer party-te khub bhalo lage. Youngsters, come forward and grab these things. Bhalo lagbe porle. Look at this. It's so very nice. This goes like this. 5685, dear. 5685. 5685. And organza is derived from silk. This is little bit mixed with poly, but they are not that slippery kind. They are good, wearable. The fall is also good. Very soft powder blue, halka blue ta, blue, nasi green, and aqua type of color. All going for 5685. I have one more colors to show you. This is the in. Look at this mauve. You'll fall for this. Bhishon সুন্দর মৌভটা দেখুন। Look at this. Total jal embroidery. Total jal. 2.5 meters of jal, and the 2.5 meters of jal, and the second half is the pleated portion. Will have skirt length jal till the it'll be almost near the knees. Onikta jal embroidery, and there's a wonderful color. Very dreamy. 5685, and this is the one on a tie and dye gachi tussar. This is the gachi tussar. This is the best of. Look at this design. How do you like this design? Bhishon porishkar সুন্দর ডিজাইনটা। All Kutch embroidery with mirror work. খুবই traditional, yet fashionable. Trendy ones from Greenhouse. দেখুন। Look at the border section. All uniformity of stitches. And with the cord piping. As usual for my good saris, the expensive ones, we provide cord piping. Look at this. This is the one. Such a beauty. এটা একেবারে গাছি তসরে. You will be happy to get this. সম্পূর্ণ গাছি তসরে কাজ. And this costs 13,800 with the blouse piece. I want to show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece is with a very rich maroon color. देखो, look at this blouse piece. That is for the back, and this motif, and that is for the sleeve. ठीक है sir. This is a very pretty piece made. It's a Kutch embroidery or a tie and dye tassel.
Yes.
And yes. Oh goodness, this color. This color. This is the, what do we call it? This is the harvest gold color. गेहूं का रंग है या जॉबेर रंग. All very earthen colors. And look at this. Look at the beautiful bordering. देखो. This is a new design. This is a house design from Greenhouse, and ita dekhun, this is the archal section, the elaborate archal. So very beautiful. And the blouse piece. Yes. We finished with our saris today. This is 14,400, dear friends. 14,400, dear friends. Thank you, friends. Love you all. Thank you.